friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. If you are looking for a new crispy tea time snack, then today's recipe is just for you. Today we are making crispy semolina cutlets, or you can call it crispy semolina tikkis. This is an instant recipe, it takes no time and you will just love the taste and the flavor of this recipe. So let's see how to prepare it. Before moving to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. To make a crispy snack, firstly we will take 1 cup of semolina or Suji. Into this we will add half a cup of curd and half a cup of water. Now we will mix it well. Into this we will add 1 teaspoon of salt and we will mix it well. Next we will cover it and we will allow it to rest for at least 5 minutes. While our semolina batter is resting, we will prepare tempering. For this, in a tadka pan, we will add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon of rai or mustard seeds. Into this, we will add 1 teaspoon of zeera. Once the rai and zeera splatters, we will add curry leaves to it. And our tempering is ready. It's been 5 minutes and you can see the batter has become thick. Now into this we'll add few veggies. Here goes chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, grated carrots, grated potato. This is raw potato. And here goes half a teaspoon of chilli flakes. You can even add red chilli powder. And here goes our tempering. So now we'll combine everything well. You can add any veggies of your choice to make the batter more nutritious, more healthy. As the batter is too thick, we'll add little more water to it. We'll add little more water. The batter should not be too thick, neither too thin. And now our batter is ready. Let's head over to our kitchen. Friends, now in a pan I have heated oil. There are different ways to prepare this crispy breakfast using the same batter. If you want to make appes, then add ENO or soda in this and then you can prepare appe in appam pan. But today we are not adding ENO or using baking soda. So what we'll do is we'll heat oil in a pan. Once the oil is heated, then we will take 1 ladle full of this portion and we will drop it. We will be shallow frying these. And also take this oil, put it on the top so that it is cooked properly. And once our tikkis or cutlets are cooked from one side, then we will flip it over. We need to cook it until these are absolutely crispy from both the sides. So here you can see the color is looking so attractive. It's because of the veggies which we have added in the batter. So friends, let me show you one piece. It's crispy from both the sides. And we'll keep it on a tissue paper so that it absorbs extra oil from it. Just look at these. And similarly, we'll prepare the rest of the batter in the same way. Just add a portion of the batter. And again, we'll allow it to cook from both the sides until both the sides are crispy enough. And our second batch is also done. So friends, here is a very crispy semolina snack ready to serve. You can call these cutlets, pakoras, tikkis, anything, but one thing is for sure that these are super crispy and super delicious. A perfect tea time snack. Just look at this one piece. Let me break it and show you. These are perfectly cooked. And you can serve this with your favorite chutney. I am serving this with tomato ketchup. It tastes really yummy. A perfect tea time snack. So friends, do give it a try. I'm sure you'll really like this snack. So friends, do try out this recipe. Let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching our today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.